Hey y'all, happy Thursday. Happy Talk It Out Thursday. To me, happy Talk It Out Thursday. Happy Thursday to y'all in general. I want to make this short because I got a video that is in editing process right now. I just got done making a video. Well, editing it because I had to edit it 2 times because I figured out I was missing some stuff. But a while ago, I just want to share this with y'all. A while ago, I know I'm ashy, but a while ago, I just got a package. I already opened the box, but when I opened the box, I I received this. I don't know what it is, so I want to take the time and I want to open it right here. And I have a good feeling who sent this to me. So I want to thank you for who sent this. I know who sent it, but I really want to say thank you. So here we go. With plastic. Child, whoever wrapped this up, they wrapped it up, child. No, they look. Okay. Oh my goodness, look. It's some olive oil. See, look. This infused olive oil. Oh my goodness. I'm definitely gonna try this. I'm gonna give me some meat and I'm gonna try this. It's one of them. They say it's a set, but what's this one here? See, this is good for my cholesterol, my high cholesterol and blood pressure and stuff, because I'll be loving cooking and stuff. Look at this. I'm gonna use all this on my meats. I'm finna get rid of fried stuff. Oh my goodness, garlic. This one, my favorites. But that's what I got, y'all. Thank you so much for sending me this and giving me this. Thank y'all for watching. I love y'all.